Today, I'm going to show you how to rewrite an algebraic expression like this one that has repeated factors in it. The key to rewriting an algebraic expression like this one here is to think about how we would rewrite a numerical expression like this, where we have the factor of 3 being repeatedly multiplied to itself 4 times. It would be much easier to rewrite this using a power. Remember, a power has two parts, a base and an exponent. The base is the factor that is being repeated. So in this expression, that would be the 3. The exponent is the smaller number on the upper right of the base that tells you how many times that factor of 3 is being repeatedly multiplied to itself, which in this expression is 4. So this numerical expression can be rewritten as 3 to the 4th power. Now let's go back to the algebraic expression here, where we have the variable of x being repeatedly multiplied to itself 5 times. We can use a power to rewrite this expression as well. The base is the repeated factor of x, and the exponent will be 5. So we can rewrite this as x to the 5th power. This next expression has a fraction of 2/3 being multiplied to the variable k. The first thing I'll do is bring over the fraction of 2/3. Then I can see that the variable of k can be rewritten using an exponent. So I will write k to the 3rd power. Now I want you to notice that I did not bring over the multiplication sign between the fraction of 2/3 and the variable of k. Remember that when you see a number being multiplied to a variable like this, you can drop the multiplication sign and just place the number right next to the variable. Hopefully you're getting the hang of this now, so let's try this next expression that has a decimal number and 2 different variables. Now we have a decimal number of 4.5 and 2 different variables, h and d, which can be rewritten as powers. So what do we do here? Well, I'll start by bringing over the decimal number of 4.5, and then I'll rewrite h times h as h squared and d times d as d squared. Notice again that I did not bring over the multiplication signs. Remember that just like a number next to a variable means that they are being multiplied, the same is true when you see a variable right next to another variable. Now this expression has only one variable and a factor of 12 being multiplied to itself 3 times. So you might think that I will start by bringing over the variable first, but the correct way to write algebraic expressions is to have the numerical factors written in front of the variables. So I will start by writing the factors of 12 as a power first. So I'll write 12 to the 3rd power and then bring over the variable of j. I sure hope that I was able to answer all of your questions about using exponents in algebraic expressions, but if not, please leave me your question in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out.